Independence isn't always a choice. It's something life teaches you. For Oona Abona, it started early. With her parents often away, she learned to take care of herself long before adulthood. That self-reliance laid for a future built on responsibility and smart choices. But independence also meant facing tough decisions alone. As she approached college, Oona was caught between two big challenges: getting a job and affording a good education.
Well, I kind of know that having a degree doesn't guarantee you a job like after graduating. So I've seen like job descriptions like we accept fresh grads, but we prefer those with experiences. So what do I do if I kind of encounter something like that? So that was one of my concern. The next is the cost, because we can't cover like the cost is pretty much high, especially if you go for like good universities, means it's either state universities or the expensive ones. So cost will really be a problem for my parents.
That's when she found CLaaS2SaaS. The Bachelor's program offered something different: real work, real experience, global opportunities, and the ability to earn while learning.
What drove me to like do EduClass is that the earn while you learn was appealing, and then being able to like cover your tuition fees with the money you've earned.
Not only could she support herself, she could also gain hands-on experience alongside her studies.
You get to work and study at the same time. Then, of course, when you graduate, you'll get 3 years work experience already.
Learning at CLaaS2SaaS went beyond the classroom. In her very first module, website development, Oona found a hidden strength.
I think it was the first module, like the website development. That was the hardest module because we have to go through WordPress and all that. And the instructor was actually Filipina. I was actually commended for my the website that I made. So she really labeled me as the benchmark of the class. So I was actually pretty motivated and thought that maybe I was really like, made for this.
Oona's transformation didn't stop in the classroom. She joined CLaaS2SaaS as a marketing associate and embraced every opportunity to grow, volunteering, exploring, and learning by doing. With the guidance of her manager and director, she soon began leading real marketing campaigns, handling emails, social media, paid ads, and more. It was no longer just an internship. It was real work with real impact.
I started out trying to absorb everything that I could, and before I knew it, I was trusted to lead actual campaigns.
In time, Oona stopped being seen as just the student. Her consistency, initiative, and growing confidence earned her a well-deserved promotion to digital marketing executive, marking her official enter into the professional world.
I'm thankful that I came across this unique opportunity. EduClass and this bachelor's degree completely transformed my life for the better.
Her journey is more than a career milestone. It's a story of building confidence through action, of transforming self-reliance into meaningful success. With CLaaS2SaaS, Oona didn't just study. She proved her potential.